Kumerica to the world, bro. Kumerica gone global, nigga. We gone global, nigga. Nigga. Kumerica to the world. Now you know this Kumerican songs. You better sorry. You better sorry.
Huh? Yeah. Oogie. Huh?
Yes, the song has gone viral on Twitter, you know, and a lot of conversations and reactions have come out while they are here because, like, Charlie, people weren't expecting that. But then, Charlie, you know what we do? Kumerica, we go blow your mind while they are here. So, yes, this particular song has gone viral, and Charlie, a lot of people are talking about this thing. And Charlie, me personally, I'm happy for the Kumasi guys because the way we made fun of them, like Charlie, we they slandered them in a Kumasi for this, Kumasi for that. Yesterday, then people come there on Twitter, they talk, say what La Mem influence the Kumerican sound. Yeah, and we no near champion leaves the farmer dreamer. La Mem influence Kumerica, Akata music. You know when share more moment to tell you people they stay in Accra, you think you are custodians of pop culture trends. Bro, La Mem didn't do shit, nigga. I'm not trying to downplay their contribution to pop culture trends and the contemporary sound in this country. But make you never sit for anywhere. Then talk say La Mem influenced the American sound or culture. They had zero influence on them. Akata started then La Mem, they don't even know each other. Be like say some of them they kiddies. So that one they make you not even try. Akata music, they started wear baggy jeans, then Tana Day primary school. What are you talking about? Go best, go do your research. Most sorry, I'm not to cry and people figure say you be custodians of what? Popular culture. Nah, bro. Akata music was there before y'all lot even discovered internet. What they are saying. So put some respect on the Akata sound. People are saying said this will not last and blah 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 blah. Yes, if it will not last, cry, we like it. Right now, it is the hype, it is the sound, and we are going to hop on it and make sure that the people involved in the creation of the sound, no, they get what they deserve. But you ain't gonna sit in a cry and talk shit about the fact that you influence what? La Mem them influence the end for Legon. If you come out Legon inside, nobody know them for this country. Let us be serious. And listen, I respect them, but nah, don't overestimate their influence because it ain't a, bro. It ain't a. Now let me get to my substantive issue. Yes, the Kumerican sound is out there, and yes, this particular song, you best sorry, gone viral. So yes, American rapper Vic Mensa, he's a Ghanaian. I think his parents are from this country, but then he was born and raised in Chicago. What do I say? He hopped on the beat, and Charlie, no be small spoiling there you do. So right now, Charlie, Vic Mensa has hopped on it, and Charlie, I just they want. Make them help make them help the kiddies because Charlie then they force and I feel like they need all the support they will get from us, so make we support them. And I hope say these American rappers will come prey on them, then that do that thing, like they will come take advantage of it and they know will pay them, and so Charlie make sure say you people go sort them out. Then if you be featured, and Charlie, let us elevate the alacrities of the Kumerican vibe. What they are saying. So yes, Vic Mensa hopped on it, and he shared a snippet of the song on his Instagram story.
Zongo boy from the wreck, shot back Zongo reps, Southside neck, she don't really love me, she just wanna fuck my test.
And it was dope, it was fire. I can't wait for the full song, Charlie. This is dope. And I see the kiddies all like the people that then the Kumerican squad, them all make happy, then they post their intents. This is what I'm talking about. But then you see none of one of big artists. Okay, Shatawale and some other artists, they've been pushed, but you know the people what they talk about. None of them. You know the people. Me, I'm not gonna mention names. You know them. None of them, they don't even talk about them. They don't go do like they won't help them, they won't beg them, nothing. Make them hit finish, then they will kind of drop Ghana flags and shit, man. Make their hit finish. You go, oh, Ghana to the Ghana to traditional Apampaso. And that's what I'm saying. Same energy. When they hit and they go to a certain level, I don't want anybody coming out to say you want collaboration. Nah. Let them enjoy their limelight. and sit in your corner. That is what I'm saying. That is what I am saying. Because when a big artist saw them, jade in my eyes. Cool story. But when these people hit where they get to a certain level, I don't want to hear Ghana to the world nonsense from any of them. That is what I'm saying. So yes, shout out to the Kumerican people, shout out to the Vice, shout out to the Charlie, the Kumerican niggas, Charlie. We yeah, we're sorry. Yeah, but Charlie, my ring come out. Yeah, pong.